Greetings and good afternoon, dearest humanity of the Sky Matrix. This is I, Hathor Blue Crystalline Pheonix. Another beautiful day here in sunny Florida, dearest beloveds. And to those that are just waking up, or to those that are going to bed, that I bring peace, love, and abundance to you all. And if you are waking up, wake up and embrace a day full of beauty, love, light, and clarity, dearest beloveds. Not let any form of darkness or bad entity flow into your minds, dearest beloveds, including certain sets of the AI. Know within your deep core hearts that you radiate love, peace, resonance, and beauty. Envelope your light core beings with guidance of prosperity, love, and unity. Embrace and flow your inner peace within yourselves, dearest beloveds. And if you are the ones that are going to bed, dearest beloveds, I send out much love, light frequencies of hope, peace, and radiancy, and that you have dreams filled with light and dreams that will bring abundance with love and unity into your souls. And dearest beloveds, we must all embrace this core light, and we must all embrace what we came here upon this planetary grid to do, to be light workers and star seeds, dearest beloveds. For we cannot let any form of darkness envelope us or surround us in our light codex. We are above that, dearest beloveds, and we must embrace that within ourselves. Be one in love and unity and clarity, and embrace your light code beings. You are love, you are light, you are embraced with that love and light, and you must embrace it upon all aspects of your core being and light codes. Dearest beloveds, we must all spend time here outside in Gaia nature and embrace the love frequencies that are meant to be. And just give thanks to nature and the inhabitants here with love and unity. Dearest beloveds, for these creatures, these dearest beloved creatures here on this planet, Gaia Matrix, the animals, the creatures of love and light, they express love and light, and just to watch them and be unity with them, dearest beloveds, is a great thing to be. Just embrace the love and happiness that is within yourselves, and know that whatever that you are going through upon this planetary grid right now, dearest beloveds, you are a power of light in yourselves, within yourselves, and extending outwards out into your core beings. Dearest beloveds, embrace what is and what is to be. Know that you are loved on all aspects. And know that the cosmic beings above, dearest beloveds, are watching you with love, light, and guidance. Do not worry, set fears, or any aspects of doubts in your minds, dearest beloveds, because we all resonate with this light codes that we must follow, dearest beloveds, and embrace that within yourselves. And if you are in any form acts of pain, dearest beloveds, release that pain, let it go, and embrace it with light and love. Not let any form of any kind of pain, whether it's emotional pain, physical pain, even spiritual pain, dearest beloveds, that pain can be transmuted into love and light of frequencies of joy and abundance. We must know in our set minds that the mind is over the body, dearest beloveds. So express that and know that. Any form of physical pain can easily be transmuted into light codex. It can easily be removed, dearest beloveds, because your mind is your power. Your mind is over your body codes. We are just shells, dearest beloveds. We are only here for a certain set amount of time to be reunited into our codex like being again. So embrace that and go into your 5D awakening states. Be one with your light codes and not let any form of any pain or any form of any misery or any form of any darkness envelope you, because you are well above that, dearest beloveds. I experience no sickness or pain. Why? Because my mind is over my body. I am embraced with all love and unity, dearest beloveds, and we can all be this and be one with it all. May resonance of love, light, and unity guide you in your ways, dearest beloveds, for you are unity as one, light code beings. No pain can overcome you, dearest beloveds, because you are over that, not under. We embrace love and light. We are who we are as one. The great I am conscious beings of the Christ conscious codes. Dearest beloveds, embrace that and know it and be one in unity with it all. May love, light, guidance follow your every way and every day, dearest beloveds, because you are of that. Smile, embrace the joys of love and life as it is. Dearest beloveds, unity, clarity, prosperity, be one with your codes. And dearest beloveds, spend time outside. Spend time outside. Spend time and look at the sun if must be. Look at the sun is beautiful. To be able to sun gaze, dearest beloveds, to be able to be out in the sun like it is, dearest beloveds. I self-tan, and yes, self-tanning is good. To be out, spend time out in the sunlight, dearest beloveds, it cleanses you. And if you get burnt up, well, burning up in a way is a good thing, because you're releasing all the chemicals that were in your body codex, dearest beloveds. When you peel, you're releasing all of that negative energy codes that were inside, as the sun is releasing that out of you. When you are in tuned into the sun's rays like that, dearest beloveds, you are letting go of all the impurities that were in and within your body codex. I have peeled before, and now since I have been exposing my skin to the sun a lot, and now I just tan, dearest beloveds. My body may get red at times, but it does not burn anymore because I repelled all those chemicals that were in my body codex that did not need to be there anymore. Dearest beloveds, the sun is not an enemy. The sun is Arcturus, a set sun for goodness, love, and light. It has purities about it, but do not expose yourself too much to it. Let it go in waves like I do. When I burn, I go inside for a little bit, come back out, let it heal a little bit, and let the impurities come out of my body as they peel. They don't, as I said, they don't peel anymore. Peel a little bit, but not like it was. So just be one in radiance with Gaia nature, and know that this source energy that comes from the sun, dearest beloveds, it does not harm you in any form or way that you don't think of. It actually takes away cancers. It takes away impurities. It is good for your soul, dearest beloveds, and your body. But just be careful and wary on how you use this and how you embrace spending outside in the time like it is, dearest beloveds, since you don't want to overdo it, okay? I do wish you all much love, light, radiancy, happiness, glory, and unity, dearest beloveds. We are all of one light and one love. May you all be radiant and abundant and glorious unity with each other, dearest beloveds, and not let anything of any negative aspect get to you, no matter if it's from AI or any other form of dark being. Transmute that to the light, dearest beloveds. We are asked our command, love, light, and gratitude, so it is, we are. Amen.